Okay, welcome back student. See, in this session we are starting the new chapter. Chapter number 4 and materials. Metals and non-metals. What is metals? What is non-metals? We have to see the substance which cannot be broken down into two or more simple substances by a chemical reaction is called element. See what say? A substance which cannot be broken down into two or more simpler substances by chemical reaction reactions is called an element Okay, see number of elements is there. For example, we have to see the element. So many elements is there. We can't be broken down into two or more substances by applying heating, light, electricity, any chemical process. See, example is the ferrous. Okay. Next, the simplest property of the element is called atom. See, each and every element is made of the atom. For example, this ferrous is there, iron we are calling. This is made of the small atom. It is made from atoms. Same type of atoms. See, this like same type of atoms. So it is a number of atoms. It is the same type of atoms is prepared. Next, we have to see an element is a substance which is made of only one kind of atoms. See, this ferrous is there. It is made of only one kind of atom. And this is a copper is there. See this one copper. See this one copper. See this copper also made from only one type of atoms. Only one type of atoms. See ferrous and copper. Okay. Next we have to see the so many metals, non-metals we have to learn in this lesson. What is metals? What is metals? See metals, for example, we have to see the metals like a iron, ferrous, aluminium, manganese, chromium, gold, silver. See these are a metals. Non-metals, we have to see the carbon, sulfur, phosphorus, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. See helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. These are a non-metals. Okay. Next, in this lesson, we have to learn the property of the elements. Properties of elements. Okay. See here once. Properties of elements. See, element is a dividing into the three types. See, only element. See, we have to write the, see, these elements is a dividing into the three types. Okay, 1 2 3. What is one? Is a metal, metals. Another one is a non-metals, non-metals. And here is a metalloids, metalloids. See, metals, non-metals and metalloids. See, 1 2 3. Metals, non-metals, metalloids. What said here? Metals properties is different, non-metals properties is different, metalloid properties is different. Metals can be conduct the electricity. Metals can be malleable. See, metal can be ductile. Metals is a good conductor of heat and electricity. See, non-metals, see, do not conduct the electricity. See, these are those properties. What said? The element. See, this like non-metals doesn't conduct the any electricity. Non-metals has a no lustrous, no ductile, not good conductor of heat and electricity. See, not lustrous, not high tensile strength. We have to learn. See, next we have to learn the metalloids. See, metalloids we are calling. Metalloids means the element whose properties are intermediate. Their properties is intermediate. Intermediate property is there between those metals and between those metals and non-metals. Between those metals and non-metals. See, are known as metalloids. Are known as metalloids. Metalloids. See, metalloids. Okay, for example, we have to see here silicon. Silicon is a metalloids. Next, selenium, arsenic. Next, tellurium. These are examples of metalloids. These are see, that's why these metalloids we are calling the semiconductors. What do you call it? Semiconductors. Okay. Next we have to learn about the metals and non-metals. Okay. See. Okay. Metals are malleable. Metals are malleable. What is malleable? Okay. See, we have to take the iron and we have to beat. It will make the seeds. These are tins. Tins is a metalloids. We are calling in Marathi patra. See, it is a drawn into the seeds. We are calling the malleable. See, metals are malleable. Next we have to see the second one. See, metals are ductile. See, it will be make into the wires. Make into the seeds. Making seeds, making wires. Next, third one. What said? It is a good conductor of heat and electricity. Good conductor of heat and electricity. Heat and electricity. We have to see that at our home. So it is a aluminum. So it is a copper wires is there. Copper wires, chromium wires, aluminum wires. See, these are a conducting. At our home also, our mother is preparing the rotis, chapatis and preparing the rice. It is using the aluminum vessels. See, preparing the roti, they are using the pan of that iron pan. See, preparation of substances. Next, have high tensile strength. See, high tensile strength. See, we have to see that these metals have a high tensile strength. That's why the metals is using for preparation of construction of buildings, construction of dams, construction of roads. See, is using the high tensile strength. See, for example, iron rods, Fe rod. See, these are using the, so it is a high tensile strength. Metals are lustrous. See, metals are lustrous. Lustrous. What is lustrous means? Chamakna. Metals lustrous होते हैं ना? See, that's why we have to see the so many women's, girls, they are using to wear the rings, gold rings, okay, silver rings. See, they are using. That's why it is a metals are lustrous. Okay. Next, metals are high densities. See, metals have a high density. High densities. High densities. Metals have a high density. Any metals, we have to see the high density. We can't break easily. We can't break easily. See, density is a more is there. Metals are strong. Metals is a very strong. Metals is a sonorous. Okay. In our school, we have to see the bell is there. If ring the bell, immediately, see, we can change the period. Okay. So many students is a, if see, we are, you can detect the different types of bells. See, it is a lunch bell. See, it is a long bell. See, first period, second period. You can easily detect with the help of bell. See, in our temple also, it is a bell is there. Say, bells is a sonorous. Means it is a giving to the ringing sound. See, examples. So many examples is there. Metals, ferrous, copper, aluminium, silver, gold, chromium, sodium, potassium. Sodium and potassium is a soft metals. Sodium and potassium we can easily break. Next, magnesium also very soft metal. We can easily break down. Next, nickel, calcium, tin and see cobalt, cadmium, palladium, mercury. Mercury is a liquid metals is there. Liquid metals. These metals is using in clinical thermometers. Next, we have to see the non-metals. 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 Okay. See, non-metals is a non-malleable. देखो, कोल ले लो, कोल और ब्रेक करो, ब्रेक करे, सी उसके ऊपर हैमिंग करे तो वो सीट के जैसा बनता है क्या? नो, इट डजंट मेक द एनी सीट्स. वी हैव टू टेक द नॉन metals and see if you beat, if making the wire like substances, no. See non-metals, non-ductile, non-metals, non-malleable. Non-metals is a good conductor of heat and electricity. Yes, graphite is a conducting the electricity. Okay, graphite is a conducting the electricity. Next, non-metals have a low tensile strength. Next, non-metals is a non-lustrous, but it is a bromine, iodine, it is a lustrous. So it is a, next we have to see the low density. See this, like non-metals also, it is a so many. See their metal property is a different and non-metal properties is a different. Okay.